When you look up at the night sky, what do you really see? To the naked eye, just a sprinkling of stars, a few thousand points of light. But behind that quiet veil lies a cosmic truth so staggering, so immense, it almost feels impossible to grasp. The universe is not home to one galaxy, not to hundreds, not to millions, but perhaps to numbers beyond imagination. Today, we set out on a journey to uncover a question that has haunted astronomers for centuries. How many galaxies are there? For our ancestors, the night sky was both a mystery and a guide. It was a map for navigation, a calendar for harvest, and a stage for gods and myths. They believed the Milky Way was the entire universe, a river of stars stretching across eternity. No one knew what lay beyond that glowing band. No one dared imagine that our galaxy might be just one among countless others. It wasn't until the invention of the telescope that humanity began to peel back the curtain. Galileo saw that the Milky Way was made of countless stars, far beyond the reach of the naked eye. But even then, the question remained. Was this it? Was everything we could see truly the whole universe? In the 1920s, a man named Edwin Hubble changed everything. Using the world's most powerful telescope at Mount Wilson Observatory, he looked at what astronomers once thought were faint clouds, the Andromeda Nebula. But Hubble discovered something extraordinary. This was not a cloud inside our Milky Way. It was another galaxy, a separate island of stars, billions of light years away. The universe had suddenly become much larger than anyone had ever imagined. Soon, more galaxies were discovered. Dozens, hundreds, then thousands. The floodgates were open, and humanity realized we were living inside a cosmic ocean, where each galaxy was a world unto itself, holding billions or even trillions of stars. In 1995, the Hubble Space Telescope performed one of the most daring experiments in astronomy. Scientists pointed it at a tiny, seemingly empty patch of sky, no bigger than the tip of a pin held at arm's length. For days, it collected light. What it revealed was astonishing. Thousands of galaxies, each one a city of stars, hiding in a patch of sky once thought to be void. From this single image, astronomers estimated that the observable universe might contain at least 100 billion galaxies. But as our technology advanced, that number grew. New estimates suggest there may be up to 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. 2 trillion. And beyond the observable, perhaps infinitely more. We've built machines to stretch our vision deeper than ever before. The Hubble Space Telescope revealed galaxies from billions of years ago. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, peers even farther into the infancy of the cosmos, when the first galaxies were just beginning to take shape. And soon, the Vera Rubin Observatory will map the sky in unprecedented detail, perhaps uncovering millions of galaxies we've never seen before. Yet, even with all this power, our view is limited. Light takes time to travel. The farther we look, the younger the universe becomes. Beyond a certain horizon, the light hasn't had time to reach us, which means the true number of galaxies may forever remain a mystery. Galaxies are not scattered randomly. They are connected by invisible threads of dark matter, woven into a cosmic web that stretches across the universe. Vast clusters of galaxies gather at the nodes of this web, forming structures so immense they defy comprehension. And in between lie great cosmic voids, regions of nothingness, spanning hundreds of millions of light years. But here's the paradox. Not all galaxies are visible. Some are too faint, hidden in darkness. Some are drowned in the glare of others. And some may exist in forms we can't yet detect. Which means that every time we think we're close to the answer, the universe whispers back, "Not yet." Why should we care how many galaxies there are? Because every galaxy is a potential cradle of life. Every one contains billions of stars, and around those stars, countless planets. If even a fraction of those planets host life, then the universe is teeming with possibilities. each galaxy is not just a number, but a chance that we are not alone. And perhaps the deeper reason is this. By asking how many galaxies exist, we are asking how far our story truly stretches. Are we a fleeting spark in a cold, empty cosmos? Or are we part of an infinite symphony, played out across countless worlds? We may never know the exact number of galaxies. Maybe it's 100 billion, maybe 2 trillion, maybe a number beyond human language. But what we do know is this. We are part of something vast, beautiful, and endlessly mysterious. And every time we look deeper, the universe answers not with certainty, but with wonder. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars. You're staring into infinity.